Okay. Once the simulation is loaded up, you'll see several controls. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn on spectrometer, which is going to show you the pattern of the different light photons that your sample's emitting. You'll be able to choose the element that you want to view from up here, like hydrogen, and then you'll want to set electron production to continuous, and then really crank this up. As energy comes in here, it gets absorbed by the electrons, which bounce up in the air, and then as they fall, they let off different wavelengths of light. You can see down here on the spectrometer the different light peaks that you're getting from that. To make this go even faster, you can click the tab up here that says multiple atoms. And that will get you your results much faster instead of just waiting for one atom to let out all of that light. So you can already start to see down here for hydrogen, we've got a bright purple, we're getting a bright red, also getting sort of a faint blue, and kind of a faint bluish green right here. Don't pay any attention to these that are above and below the scale, because those would be invisible light that you wouldn't be able to see through a spectrometer. For the very last sketch, you're going to choose configurable, and then you're going to pick a certain number of energy levels. And I'm going to pick about 5, and I'm going to move them around a little bit, just randomly. And then I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to wait and see what kind of spectrum this gives me. After you let it run for a couple of minutes, then you can pause it and you can sketch it. Since you're doing this all through the simulation, you don't have to do the last 2 items at the bottom of the page. You just have to do the 5 that are up at the top. So just these 5 up here in the blank marked element. Be sure and tell me which element you're sketching for custom, and then use colored pencils to draw the pattern of lines just like you see them here. If you have any questions, please give me a call.